Every day, students leave class for a variety of reasons. The challenge isn't that they're moving around the building, it's knowing where they are, why they're there, and whether they've returned safely. That's where EduSlip Pass comes in. In just a few seconds, teachers can create a digital hall pass for any student. No paper passes, no interruptions, no guesswork. Administrators and authorized staff have a live view of every active pass in the building. They can instantly see who's out of class, where they're going, how long they've been gone, and whether a pass has become overdue. When every second matters, that visibility makes all the difference. EduSlip Pass also includes powerful safety tools like student restrictions, destination controls, approval workflows, separation groups, emergency building lock, and a complete audit trail of every pass issued. Every action is securely recorded, helping schools improve accountability while supporting student safety. Administrators gain valuable insight into student movement trends. This helps identify patterns, reduce hallway congestion, and make informed decisions using real data. EduSlip Pass helps schools create a safer, more accountable learning environment, while also giving teachers more time to teach and administrators the visibility they need to keep students safe. Know where students are, improve accountability, and support a safer school. EduSlip Pass, helping schools save time, improve safety, and keep learning on track.